Giving or a party, you'll want the world's largest turntable built for dining room tables and kitchen counters. Each tray is heat resistant to act as a trivet and also non-slip so food stays in place. This gadget takes less than 2 minutes to put together, and you can expand it to add even more trays. Entertaining this season has never been easier. Prevent using multiple dishes cooking with this digital cooking bowl. It accurately measures wet and dry ingredients, and you can easily convert between various measurements like ounces and grams at the touch of a button. This gadget also works on virtually any bowl you have in your home. And this airtight produce saver set keeps food fresh and looks just like the item you're storing, so it's super easy to find in the fridge.
One of the first items I bought for the new home is this microfiber dish drying rack. I love that I have a spot to temporarily store the dishes that I don't put in the dishwasher. I also really like how pretty the design is. It folds up for easy storage and you can throw it in the wash too. Gadget I think you'll love. We have pizza night every Friday and we've been using this since we got it. This pizza pack is genius. Instead of storing a big box in the fridge, use this expandable pizza pack. It also has 5 microwavable plates. It keeps your pizza fresh longer, and when not in use, it collapses for easy storage.
This mixing bowl set each comes with airtight lids that turns into Tupperware, and each lid has interchangeable discs that let you grate, zest, and slice food. These lids also act as splatter guards when mixing ingredients. These bowls are fingerprint proof, have non-slip bottoms, handles, pour spouts, and measurement marks, so prepping, storing, and serving food will be a breeze. Make shopping and running errands easy and fun with your own super lightweight shopping cart that you can configure 3 different ways. It fully expands out, comes with a reusable box for groceries and errands, is designed to go upstairs to easily put items away, and is super easy to store in your trunk.
Touch the toilet seat lids, then grab the set of 2 lid lifters. Simply remove the stickers off the adhesive and place on whichever side you like. You can sanitize the lid tabs as needed.
This handheld steam iron heats up in less than 25 seconds. You can continuously steam for up to 15 minutes, and it has a pump steam technology so it won't leak or spill. The ceramic heat does not damage clothes, and it can be used on many different types of fabrics. But the best part about this steam iron is it is small, compact, lightweight, and easy to travel with.
A phone holder that you can attach to your laptop so you can multitask, and it also folds up to save room. This is an automatic window cleaner that can clean any type of window in a few minutes. It also comes with a remote if you want to control it manually. This is a fabric shaver that cleans up those annoying clumps of cloth that get on clothes that you've used for a long time. This is a temperature controlled mug, which has an app that lets you set the exact temperature that you want. This is a levitating plant that looks awesome, but I still haven't figured out how I'm gonna water it. This is a motion soap dispenser that attaches to your wall. It has an LED display that shows the temperature, and it dispenses foam soap, which we can all agree is the best type of soap.
Elevate your car experience this summer with these air conditioning car seat cushions with universal fit to work in most vehicles. This retractable sunshade keeps your car cool while not in use and is customizable to your exact windshield. It's super easy to pull out and put back. And this mini backseat organizer is perfect for summer road trips and includes 2 additional cup holders and 2 hooks at the bottom.
This 4-in-1 container will allow you to organize and dispense 4 liquids in one. Each bottle is leak-proof and refillable, and it also comes with 15 labels. Whether you're going traveling or camping, we feel this is a must-have gadget for summer.
If you always spill your drink, then you need this gadget. This is the Couch Coaster. It is a weighted armrest that works to hold your mug, drink, remote, and even phone. It is anti-slip, so you don't ever have to worry about spilling your drink.
Kids, you need this portable door lock. It's easy to use, fits on any size door, and keeps toddlers in and intruders out.
This portable lightweight stool turns into a backpack when not in use, and the main compartment of this backpack is actually a cooler that can hold all of your summer adventure items and keeps your drinks and food cold. The inside is also waterproof, making it perfect to hold wet beach towels or bathing suits.
Food tray sits over sofa arms to securely hold drinks and snacks, or make this a large tray that just rests nearby you on the sofa to hold a lot more items. Keep organized by placing items that easily get lost on this couch tray.
This looks like a regular handbag, but it's actually a toiletry bag that's surprisingly really spacious. It comes with a removable bottom pouch, a few containers, and a chain if you want to wear it as a handbag. Second is this toothbrush case that sanitizes your brush using UV light.
This set of rolling storage containers are perfect. The wheels make it easy to move around, and you can lock the wheels to keep them in place. It was super easy to set up, and now we can neatly store away extra toys and clothes.
It can be hung in your closet for easy reach. It heats up in 30 seconds and is a steamer and iron all in one. The steamer also comes with a brush attachment and heat glove, which works so well for getting pet hair off of linen curtains and smoothing out the wrinkles. The steamer has a 35-minute run time. Once it's empty, just refill with water and press in. Steam iron clothes flat on the bed, and never worry about water spots on fabrics because this steamer is leak proof. And the steamer has an auto shut off after 5 minutes when not in use.
Bowl set is the perfect addition to your kitchen. They are made of high-grade silicone and heat safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Simply rest the tool on the edge of the cookware so drips stay in the pan and off the counter.
Buying Easter eggs, making deviled eggs for your next party, craving an egg salad sandwich, or just love omelets for breakfast, you need this rapid egg cooker. It quickly and easily cooks hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, or scrambled eggs perfectly every time. So no more standing at the stove and carefully timing how long to leave the eggs in. You just press start and it automatically turns off when the water evaporates and the cooking is complete.
Foldable storage bins are great having in your car for groceries. They also come with lids so they can be used as storage or side tables for your home. Lastly, they're perfect as picnic tables or for camping. This is a door stopper that you can attach to the bottom of your door, and then it's readily available for whenever you need to use it. Secondly, this is the perfect step stool to use around the house as it's very light and it comes in a bunch of different sizes and colors.
Are my Amazon kitchen must-haves for making tacos. First up is my olive oil dispenser and my salt and pepper bowls. Both of these are super convenient to use while cooking. My other must-have for making tacos is my
This is a Splatipus, which makes it easy to scoop everything out of a jar. This is a tea infuser. All you have to do is put tea leaves in and soak it in hot water. This is a funnel that looks exactly like a mushroom, and I bought it primarily because I'm really clumsy, but it allows you to pour things really easily. This is a pasta strainer that you can hook on to any type of pot so you don't have any dishes. This is a wine bottle opener that looks like a bat, which is perfect for any event. This is a vampire garlic crusher. All you have to do is twist it and you can put it on your favorite dish. This is a soup ladle that looks like a dinosaur from the side.
Get ready to say see you never to messy toothpaste tubes and hello to these squeeze me self-closing caps. You simply throw out the original cap and replace with one of these. So easy to use, and the best part, mess-free every single time. Comes in a pack of 3 and great for both adults and kids. Like and follow for more Amazon finds.
Amazon laundry finds. This laundry turtle goes into your washer or dryer. Just turn and flip your clothes onto it and scoop up all of your clothes in just one step. These get hooked onto your detergent and make it easy to dispense and catch any drips. These spiral hangers make air drying sheets and blankets easy and save space. These magnetic pieces create a fence around your washer and dryer so nothing can fall over the edges. And this sock dock holds your pairs of socks in place during washing and drying and can be hung up in your closet.